Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. Here we have x times of x plus 1 times of x plus 2 times of x plus 3 is equals to 360, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can use here an important fact in which I can make the order of these factors. So the fact is about, if you have x plus a times of x plus b times of x plus c times of x plus d is equals to k. If you have some factors which is multiplied in this order, and you can see here, if you can add a plus b, it gives or it is equals to c plus d. It means that if you can add the term, these two terms and these two terms, and you give the equal answer, then you can make the these factors in this order. So now first I can check. Here you have only x, and we can write it as x plus 0, and here you see that when you can add this 0 and 3, then you get 3, and when you add 1 plus 2, then you get 3. It means that if when you add x plus 0 and 3 and you add 1 and 2, then you get the same answer. So that we will make the factors in this order, so that we can write these factors as x times of x plus 3 into x plus 1 times of x plus 3 is equals to 360. So now we can arrange the pairs in this form, and now we can multiply these two pairs and these two pairs, and you get x squared plus 3x, and when you multiply these two pairs, then you get x squared plus 3x plus x plus 3 is equals to 360. And now we make little bit simplification here, and you get x square plus 3x into, here you have x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 360. And now we will make the little bit simplification here, so that now you can just take here, you just take here y is equals to x square plus 3 term, because here you make the like terms this and this, so that, sorry, here I can make the little bit mistake. Here you have the factor x plus 1 and x plus 2, because these are x plus 1 and x plus 2, so I think so this is that 2. So when you can multiply here, then you get 2x into x, and finally you get here 3x plus 2. So this is the value of 2, and now you can put here x square plus 3x is equals to y, and now you can make the simplification here, then you get y times of y plus 2 is equals to 360. So when you can put y is equal to x square plus 3x here, then you get the output in this form. And now you can simplify this term, and now we can multiply this y on both of the terms, and you get y squared plus 2y is equals to 360. And now I can add plus 1 on both of the sides, so that you can get the left hand side in the form of y squared plus 2y plus, here I can write this one as 1 squared is equals to 361. And now you focus on the left hand side, and here you see that you can make the completing square of the left hand side, and you get the formula in the form of a plus b whole square is equals to a squared plus 2 times of ab plus b squared. So now if you can focus on the left hand side, and you can see here we have a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square in the right hand side, and when we can make the completing square of this form, then you get y plus 1 whole squared is equals to 361. So now we can take the square root on both of the sides, and you get the output in the form of y plus 1 whole square, and its square root is equals to 361. So these 2 and square root are gone, and here you get y plus 1 is equals to, here you have 361, and square root of 361 is equals to 19, and here we can add plus minus because of we can take the square root on both of the sides. So that now here we have two cases. The first case is we take y plus 1 is equals to plus 90, and the second case is we take y plus 1 is equals to minus 19. And now we move this one in the right hand side, and you get y is equals to 19 minus 1, and our first factor is y is equals to 18. And when you can move this one in the right hand side, then you get minus 19 minus 1, and you get the second factor is minus 20. Now we back substitute the value of y, and you know that we in the start of the question we take y is equal to x square plus 3x, so that we will take here x square plus 3x is equals to 18, and similarly here you get x square plus 3x is equals to minus 20. So here we can solve these two equations. So first I can solve this case, and in this case we move 18 in the left hand side, and you get x square plus 3x minus 18 is equals to 0. And now we make the factors of this equation, and similarly the factors of this equation are x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 is equals to 0. And here you take common x, and you get x plus 6, and here you take common minus 3, and you get x plus 6 is equals to 0. And now you can take common x plus 6 on both of the factors, and you get x plus 6 times of x minus 3 is equals to 0. And similarly here you have again two cases. The first is we take x plus 6 equal to 0, and second is we take x minus 3 is equals to 0. So finally you get the two values of x, which is minus 6 and plus 3. So these are the two factors of the given equation. So now in order to find the other factors, we will move to solve this nice equation. So in order to solve this equation, first we can move this plus 20 in the left hand side. So you get x square plus 3x plus 20 is equals to 0. And here I can apply the nice quadratic formula in order to solve this problem. So here we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 20. And the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we can put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and you get x is equals to minus b, the value b is minus 3, so you get minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 20 square root over 2 times of a is 1. So that here finally you get minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 80 square root over 2, and finally you get the value of this question is minus 3 plus minus minus 71 square root over 2. And you know that minus 71 is equals to minus 3 plus minus 71 square root and iota over 2. So these are the other two roots of the given equation. So these are the four roots of the given equation, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.